Welcome to Module 4 of the ZEPETO Creator Course, Account Security and Creator Safety. Hello everybody, it's me, Granny Zems. This lesson is one of the most important modules in the entire series because a secure account protects your avatar, your content, your earnings, and your entire creator journey. In this module, you'll learn how to secure your ZEPETO account, how to protect your personal information, and how to avoid scams and suspicious users. You'll also learn how to stay compliant with ZEPETO rules, how to prevent copyright violations, and safe practices for live streaming and content creation, and what to do if your account is compromised. Let's begin by securing your account from the inside out. Your ZEPETO account is connected to your avatar, your shop items, your worlds, your friends list, and potentially your earnings. This makes it a valuable digital asset that must be protected. Start with strong login security. Use a strong, unique password. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and keep a password that is at least 12 characters, mixing numbers, letters, and symbols. Never share your login information with anyone, even friends. ZEPETO allows you to log in using your email, phone number, or social platforms. If possible, choose email login because it offers better recovery options. Next, always enable two-factor authentication if available through your email provider. This adds another layer of protection if someone tries to access your account. You should always regularly review your login history and make sure no unknown devices are signed in. ZEPETO provides multiple privacy tools to control who can see your content and who can interact with you. Inside your settings menu, set your profile visibility to public or private, depending on your content goals. Adjust who can message you and limit who can add you as a friend. Turn on comment filters to protect your feed and review which apps or platforms you've connected to your account. Creators should maintain a clean digital environment. If someone is acting suspicious, making inappropriate comments, or attempting to pressure you for personal information, you can block them, report them, or restrict their interactions. This helps you maintain a safe and positive online space. As your account grows, you may encounter scam attempts. These can appear as fake giveaways, messages offering free Zems or free followers, users pretending to be ZEPETO staff, links that take you off platform, or requests for your login information. Always remember, ZEPETO will never ask for your password. ZEPETO staff will never DM you asking for account access. Any messages claiming you must verify your account, confirm identity, or click here to receive rewards should be treated as suspicious unless it comes directly from the official ZEPETO Studio page or verified channels. If something feels wrong, trust your instincts and avoid clicking anything. Report the user immediately. One of the most common creator mistakes is violating copyright rules without knowing it. Here's what you can't upload or stream: full movies or TV shows, copyrighted music, YouTube videos you did not create, TikTok edits you don't own, gameplay from protected games, or any content you don't have the rights to share. ZEPETO enforces strict rules to protect users and brand partners. Violating copyright can result in muted audio, removed content, limited streaming privileges, temporary suspension, or permanent account loss. To stay safe, use royalty-free music, your own video content, ZEPETO gameplay, or licensed audio from creator libraries. Remember, copyright safety protects both you and the platform. When going live on ZEPETO, always keep safety in mind. Follow these best practices. Avoid sharing personal information such as your real location, phone number, or home layout. Use a clean and stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Never show private messages or screens containing personal details. Keep your avatar positioned in safe, appropriate environments. Do not bring viewers into worlds that contain explicit or inappropriate content. Avoid reacting to trolls or negative comments. Mute or block immediately. Follow all ZEPETO community guidelines for safe live streaming. Think of live streaming as broadcasting. Anything you show or say is instantly public. As a ZEPETO creator, your assets include digital clothing, worlds, thumbnails, videos, live streaming recordings, brand collaborations, and your creative identity. Protect these by saving your raw files, using watermarks on your original content, not sharing your project files publicly, storing your designs on cloud storage or external drives, and avoid public links to your studio assets. This ensures your work remains protected from copying or unauthorized use. If you ever suspect your account has been hacked or accessed without your permission, immediately reset your password, log out of all active sessions, and change your email password. Enable two-factor authentication, contact ZEPETO support with your account information, and provide proof of ownership like email, device logs, or screenshots. The faster you act, the more likely you are to recover your account fully. In this module, you learned how to secure your ZEPETO account, protect your personal information, avoid scams, maintain copyright safety, and create a safe environment for your community. Account security is the foundation of your creator career, ensuring that your avatar, content, and progress remains protected. In the next module, we'll focus on beginner mistakes to avoid so you can grow faster and build a strong creator presence on ZEPETO.